Have you been looking for full brick homes in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of the 2604 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Hidden Lakes Estates in the Malden area of Greenville, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville County, Spartanburg County, Anderson County, Pickens County, Lawrence County, Oconee, and all the towns and cities in between. We're also new construction experts, so we keep track of the different builders in the area and the incentives that they offer. Right now, Adams Homes is offering a 2-to-1 buy down for people that are doing FHA loans, VA loans, or USDA. So you can get a 2-to-1 buy down. So basically what that means is the first year is 2.99%, which is wonderful. The second year is 3.99% interest rate, and the 3-year through year 30 is 4.99% interest rate, which is absolutely wonderful right now. And they also offer up to $7,000 towards your closing costs. Obviously, you have to use their preferred lender to get those incentives. Now, if you're not doing FHA or VA or USDA, you could get up to $20,000 right now for flex cash that you can use to buy down your interest rates or use it to pay your closing costs. All right, so I'm gonna pan around, show you around the neighborhood a little bit. And like I said, Adams Homes, they do build these full brick homes. And most of them, even though they look like they are ranch style homes, they're actually 2-story homes. But we'll go inside and we're gonna take a look at this one. This 2604 floor plan has 4 bedrooms with a large bonus room. It's 3 full bathrooms, open floor plan. So we're gonna take a look at it right now and see what you think. All right, so these are the homes in the neighborhood. So the entrance into the neighborhood is right over there, right beside the home actually. And there are sidewalks in this neighborhood. Right now, they're building in this phase, but there is potential for a new phase that's gonna be opening up. Not sure exactly when that's gonna be opening up, but right now, they're still building in their current phase. So you can probably get maybe 4 cars in the driveway here, 2 inside. Full brick homes. We're gonna take a look on the side over here. As you can see, full 4-sided brick. 2-car garage. And this one is on a corner lot. You got a front porch here. List price on this home is $429,620. Nice wide entryway, foyer here, and you do have a little chandelier as you come into the foyer. And this is luxury vinyl plank floors. So as you turn left here, you got a small hallway, and to the left is a large bedroom, really good size, and also has a walk-in closet. And right across here is the bathroom. Second bedroom on this side. Closet, regular size closet. And all the bedrooms have the carpet in the bedrooms, so give it a little better perspective here. Front door, it's got a nice glass panels on the sides, lets in natural lighting throughout this house. It's pretty bright. It's got a coat closet here, and I like these nice spindles, going up the stairs. Really makes it nice and open. All right, to that right side over there is the owner's suite, so we're going to look at that in a bit. Nice open floor plan. This one does have the quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances, and got the single bowl sink, brushed nickel pools, nice gas range. And these are Frigidaire appliances. You got the griddle and the middle there, built-in microwave, a nice towel backsplash too, and you got a Nice size pantry here. Okay, pan around a little bit here again. Yeah, nice island here. You can get some bar stools over there. Okay. All right, so we'll head over here to the owner's suite, which is on the main level. That's great. Got the pan ceilings here. Now there's crown molding throughout this main floor too. Not sure if you noticed that, but it's as we walked in, crown molding throughout that main floor living areas. Ensuite here, ensuite bathroom, and got the linen closet, the shower, couple sinks, the water closet here, so you can be able to close it up. There's a door there. Nice fixtures. Walk-in closet. Good size walk-in closet. Back in the bedroom here. Alright, so we'll head into the laundry room. Decent sized laundry room, which also takes you into the garage. There's a linen closet right here. And this door takes us into the garage. And tankless water heater, garage door opener. The access to the attic is right there, so it's pulled down. So you can be able to take the stairs up into the attic. There is another attic access upstairs as well. While we're down here, we're going to check out this backyard. Nice glass doors, again letting in lots of natural lighting in here. Nice size covered back patio here, good size. And it is a corner lot, so that's the entrance, one of the entrances into the neighborhood. And as you can see, plenty of crown molding throughout this main level. I mean, it's all over. Look at that. Adds a little bit of character to this house. And you know, obviously you got your little dining area there. You know, I know this first floor is beautiful. Now, if you are interested in this home, or if you know someone who might be interested, let us know, because the incentives might change by the time you actually watch this video. But we keep track of those things and the incentives that the builders are offering, so we can be able to update you or help you make a smart decision when you're buying new construction. All right, so let's head on upstairs and check out the upstairs. All right, so really nice spindles here. It really opens this area up really nicely. All right, so as we come up here upstairs, to the left, you have a little small door that leads into the attic. You got your air handler up here, a little bit of storage, not much. Everything else is pretty much, the attic space, but not much storage here. Maybe you can get a few things, Christmas tree or something like that, but that's about it. And you got a bedroom to the right side over here. So this is your fourth bedroom. Yeah, it's a pretty bright room as well. Closet. And on the other side, you have a full bathroom. So this is your third bathroom. Has the LVP flooring as well. And the bonus room. So if you needed this as a bedroom, you could easily put a closet in here, put a door right over here and turn it into a fifth bedroom if you wanted. And we're gonna take a drive around the neighborhood to kind of show you what the neighborhood's like and you'll be able to check that out. Now this home in this neighborhood, Hidden Lake Estates, it's conveniently located, so I mean it's pretty close to Simpsonville. It is Greenville. It has a Greenville address, but it's in the Malden area of Greenville. It's about maybe 20 minutes or so to downtown Greenville, super close to Simpsonville, so really convenient location, easy access to the highways, the shopping, restaurants, entertainment, so it's really a nice area to be in. Plus, like I said, there's not many production builders that offer fully brick construction homes. So we're gonna check out the neighborhood as well, so you can check out the neighborhood. And if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can click the link or scan this QR code to schedule a time to chat with one of us, all right? If you like these videos, please like and subscribe so you can be notified the next time we post a new video on our channel. Have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.